Welcome to Body Activated Learning, an innovative, sensory-based program to support attention and engagement for learning, so we can help every child make sensational achievements. Let's take a moment to restore our bodies to a calm place so we are ready to learn. Ready? Let's restore. Now that our bodies are in a just right place, let's activate our senses and connect them to our brains. Ready? Let's activate. Great job! Let's quickly regroup to give our eyes a break from all the visual demands throughout the day, de-stress, and refocus. Releasing the tension in our neck, taking vision breaks, and using breathing to reduce stress helps us feel calm, relaxed, and ready to learn. Let's regroup. Thanks for watching this Body Activated Learning video. Keep using this and other exercise combinations to improve every child's ability to attend and engage for learning, so that we can help every child make sensational achievements.